Well, hey, Cooper, what are you doing? You trying to drink your bottle on your own? You're really trying hard. He's all relaxed. There you go. Good job. You can do it all by yourself. Yes, you can. There we go. That's a big old bottle too, isn't it? It's funny. It's so funny. Yeah. Are you not gonna drink your